How to plant a lawn from seed. Planting grass from seed is an inexpensive way to grow a beautiful new lawn, but you need to prepare the soil carefully and watch over the sprouting seeds. Here are the basics. Instructions. Step 1. Select the right type of grass for your area. Step 2. Measure the square footage of your planting area to determine how much seed you'll need. Purchase the seed at a local nursery or garden center. Information on the package will tell you how much to buy. Step 3. Prepare and level the soil. Step 4. Set your seed spreader. A drop spreader used for fertilizer works best for most lawns. At the appropriate setting and fill it with half the seeds. Step 5. Walking at a steady pace. Sow the seed over the planting area, moving back and forth in opposite directions. Repeat the process using the rest of the seeds, walking at a 90-degree angle to your original paths. This will ensure that the seed is sown evenly. Step 6. Fill a cage roller with fine-textured organic mulch, such as peat moss or ground bark. Walking quickly, push the roller over the planting area so a thin layer, 1/8 to 1/4 inch, of organic matter covers all the seeds. This will help keep the seeds from drying out. Step 7. Push a water-filled roller, about a third full, over the entire area to make sure the seeds and soil are in good contact. Step 8. Water the seedbed thoroughly so the soil is moist to a depth of 6 to 8 inches. Apply the water slowly so that the seeds do not wash away. Step 9. Keep the seedbed moist, but not soggy, until the seed germinates and the new grass is a few inches high. In hot weather you may have to water more than once a day.